everybody, how are we all? Internet's fixed, so I'm back. Done a live stream yesterday. Been 5 days, I think it's 5 or 6 days, because the internet has been playing up. So today, on a live stream yesterday, someone mentioned in the comments what they was having for tea, and that says, oh, I really fancy that today. So we're going to have it, chicken wings in the air fryer. Now, I'm going to do 3 different sorts, roughly the same ingredients, well, virtually the same ingredients. But I've already prepared one lot. It's just so you're doing all the same. It's just repetitive, isn't it? So I'll show you the 2 lots, what we're going to do, and we're going to cook them all up, and we're just going to have a bowl of chicken wings. Delicious. Okay, this is the one I prepared about half hour ago, just before I come on. This is a, what's it called? Forgot my words, hold on, what's it called? Hold on a minute. There we go, turmeric, that's what it is, that's a turmeric one. Oh, forgot all my words then. That's a turmeric, absolutely, looks absolutely delicious, look. I've got another 2 packs, so I've got myself 3 packs, £1.99 each from Aldi. 1 kg, I think they are, yeah, 1 kg. So that's £6 for the 3 packs, and we say we're going to have a massive bowl full. We ain't having anything else with them. So it's going to be lovely. Let me show you the other ingredients. I've got 1 tablespoon each of rice wine vinegar and sesame seed oil. Teaspoon each of salt and pepper. I've used white pepper today, I've got it. So, and I don't use it often, so I've used white pepper. 3 garlic cloves and about 1/4 teaspoon of ginger on each. About 30 grams of plain flour, bit of vegetable oil, and in the one is going to be a paprika. So I've got a turmeric one, a paprika one, and a salt and pepper ginger one. That's what we're going to do. Delicious. Okay, first thing we're going to do, I've got myself a bowl. We're going to get the chicken wings, and have the chicken wings for absolutely ages, to be honest with you. And I'm just going to cut the ends off with my chopper. Bring the bowl over, and we'll get them in a bowl. We'll do all that with each packet. Nice and simple. You can keep the ends on if you want to, but I'm going to cut them off. Just so I can get them all in the air fryer as well. And they do get a bit burnt, don't they, them ends. And we're on the last one. 2 bowls of them then. I'll just clean this up. Then we'll go on to the next stage. Okay then, next step, we want rice wine vinegar and sesame seed oil. That was sesame, rice wine vinegar in. Then you want to put your flour in. Get it in there, 30 grams of flour. Get it in there, lovely. Get your garlic and your ginger in. You can use squeezy if you want. I haven't, I've got fresh. So I've just chopped it up. Salt and pepper. And we'll put the tablespoon of paprika in this one. I do love my paprika, mate. I'm using smoked. And we will bind that together first, just give it a little rub. Then we'll get a little bit of oil in there. Just so everything sticks. You want all that goodness, don't you, together? You want it all together. Wash my hands. Now a little bit of oil. I only washed my hands because I didn't want to touch my oil bottle with chicken. We'll give that a mix. These are going to be delicious and crispy. Trust me. That's that one done. Next, sesame seed oil. This is just going to be the normal one, this one. Rice wine vinegar. Flour. So we've got 3 different flavours, haven't we? Turmeric, paprika, and like a salt and pepper garlicky one. That's what we got. You could do anything, couldn't you? This is what I've got in the house, so do what you got in you, you know. Piri piri. Oh yeah, a bit of piri piri, eh? Salt and pepper. I'll put some oil in this first. So that's it. Now we'll give it a mix. Get it all bonded together. Get all that goodness together. There they are, they're all coated. Wash the hands again. And we got all three now. Let me get, where's the other one? Here it is. Hope you can see all that. Let me bring it round. Let me bring you around so you can see. Put the big one at the back. Turmeric, which I forgot the name of. Paprika. And, what should we call that? Salt and pepper, garlic. There we go. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to get the air fryers warmed up, 180. And we're going to pull them in for 25 minutes. Okay, I've got the one air fryer warming up. I've got 3 air fryers on the go. So, let's bring it down a bit there. Bit of oil. This one's warmed up first, so we'll get them in. And what we'll do is we'll turn them halfway. After about 12 minutes or so, we'll give them a turn over. Oh, looking forward to this now. Looking forward to this. Okay, we've got 5 minutes to go. I couldn't show you putting them all in because I've got 3 air fryers on my side. I ain't got no room. But let me show you. Looking delicious. Oh, yes. I've even stained my board, look, with trying to turn my board. Stained it with a good old turmeric when I was turning them round. Never mind, eh? Okay, the first lot are done, the normal ones. There they are. Look absolutely delicious, don't they? I've got two baskets of these ones. I'll put them separate so you can see them all then, can't you? They're smelling lovely, to be honest with you. That crispy skin as well. Spare one there. I'll have the spare one. Next, now onto the piri piri. Oh yes, smelling delicious. I can't show you on the. I can't move my tripod because I say my side's all full. But they're looking and smelling lovely. Say £6 for 3 packs. You know what I mean? I know you don't get much meat on them, that's why I thought we'd have a mixture. There's them. Looking nice so far, and we just got the old turmeric ones. Okay, I put my turmeric ones on a plate because they was done in my air fryer oven, so I can't really show you that. There they are, look absolutely delicious. Could I eat bowls and bowls of good old chicken wings. Oh yes. Let's get them on there. I'll have 4. There we go. I've got 2 other bowls over there, dishing up for the lads. Right, let's get on the table and let's have a go at the different ones. Calling me air fryers, look on the side, look, that I was using. Never mind, let me show you. There we go, look. Oh yes. I did ask Matt if he wanted any sweet and sour sauce. But you do them as you want them, can't you? Yes? Yeah. Yeah? You happy now?
Can't put fingers like me that time.
She's happy now. That's what she said this morning. I really fancy that. No, last night, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, last night you said it, didn't you?
Yeah, Teresa said it.
Was it Teresa who said it?
Mm. She took some chicken wings to work. Chicken wings.
Yeah, that's it. It's all 30 fancy some chicken, so we'll have that then. We'll do 3 different ones, what they're like.
Really nice.
They're nice.
Tasty.
Let me try a normal one first. There's the normal ones. They're going to be too hot, aren't they?
They are a bit hot. Delicious. Really nice.
They're nice, aren't they?
Really nice.
Which ones you had? You want to...
I had one of them ones. I had one of them ones.
Normal one.
Is that a normal one?
They're nice. The salty ones.
They're lovely. That one's nice, the yellow one.
The yellow one, 2 of them. We haven't had these for ages, have we? Look at a bowl of chicken wings, have we? Absolutely ages and ages.
They're really nice.
Try this 2 of them one then. There it is.
That's nice.
25 minutes, 180 degrees, turn them halfway through. That's boiling hot, that is. These come out last. I have to leave that one to cool down a minute. It's too hot. Let's have a piri piri. Oh yeah. They're nice, aren't they?
They're lovely. Just what I needed.
Just falling off the bone as well, aren't they? Lovely.
They taste delicious. And they are delicious.
I'll put some dip on when we're off camera. I'll just show you. It's far too hot to eat at the minute. I'm going to try this one. It's burning me, man. It's burning me. You need loads of chicken wings, don't you? Because there's not much meat on them, is there? They're like a munch, ain't they? You know, that's what they are, ain't they?
Lovely.
The lads have had theirs as well. I've done 4 bowls. Anyway, there we go. I'm going to go and eat it, guys. Air fried chicken wings. Whichever ones you fancy. I've just done what I like, paprika. I thought I'd do some normal and some turmeric ones as well. Do some curry ones if you wanted to. Bit of mayo. Bit of mayo. Oh, barbecue. We're not into barbecue, are we?
Oh, no.
We're not really big barbecuers. Too hot to eat at the minute. You should let them cool down for about 10 minutes, shouldn't you? I want to get them down my neck. Isn't that delicious? Alright. As I say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. You're marking them, sweetheart.
10.
You're marking them a 10.
Yeah.
10, yeah. And me, 10. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're getting into them, ain't you?
Yeah.
You're getting into them. Bless her. Anyway, see you later. Bye-bye.